Walter, and this is the Toyota Aurus I race in the South African National Championship. My tyres take an absolute battering on every stage of the rally, so we have to keep a constant eye on what state they're in. Here are a few tyre tips from ToyotaCare to make sure you don't get stranded between a rock and a hard place these holidays.
One of the most important aspects of a vehicle is obviously the tyres. 4 contact points, the size of your hands, holding you to this road surface. The purpose of tread is to give you traction on the tar surface. The reason for the grooves is to displace water during wet conditions. Therefore, we want to ensure that we don't wear our tread all the way down, because then you're not going to have that water displacement. Things to look for is the TWR, or tread wear indicator, or a little symbol on the side of your tyre, which will give you an indication of how far you can actually go down on the tread. Another important point with tyres is to get your balance and alignment right. Now, what is the difference between the two? When you're driving at between 100 and 120 kilometers an hour and you feel that horrible shudder in your steering wheel, that indicates that your balance is out. When you're driving at the same speed and the vehicle is either pulling right or left more than it should, that's indicative that your wheel alignment is out. Should you feel one of these two, go to your nearest tyre fitment dealer and get it sorted out. An aspect often overlooked is the state of your spare wheel. Always ensure that you have sufficient tread, the tyre is pumped before you leave on your journey, tools are easily accessible, and the jack is in the right place. This Yaris Hybrid has a full-size wheel. Should you have a space saver, ensure that you do not exceed the 80 kilometers an hour or going further than 100 kilometers. Try get to a tyre dealer and get it changed before going any further. Whether you're driving a road car like the Yaris Hybrid or an off-roader like the FJ Cruiser, tyre pressures are always important. To ensure you're running at the correct pressures, there are numerous ways to check. Either consult the owner's manual, your local dealer, or even sometimes the indication on your inside door here. When driving off-road, it's always ideal to drop your tyre pressures, giving you a better surface area and better traction. But dropping your tyre pressures does come with its hazards. We're exposing a softer sidewall, which could induce a snag or two on sharp rocks, but what's holding this tyre onto the rim is pressure. If you drop your tyre pressures, you could actually roll a tyre off of the rim. Some people want to put bigger tyres on their 4x4s to make it look bigger and bolder, but that does come with a few problems. Remembering that a lot of these vehicles are built with certain diff ratios and gear ratios that are built around the size of a tyre. So by increasing your size, you're going to change the ratios and you could inflict a little bit of damage longer down the line.
ToyotaCare is committed to the safety of you and your family these holidays. Don't take chances. Be safe and smart. Let's lead the way and make your most memorable journeys your safest.